appointing people who are over 60 years. We don't have many people over 60 years, but even with the president, he pronounced everybody over 60 years will have to hand over. And the law says 60 is the limit, 50 is the retirement age, 60 is a mass retire age. So those ones are taken care of by the law. And if there was anybody will have to be terminated. Number 5, absorption of permanent and perishable ECD teachers. Sometimes in 202, we've served 523 teachers on permanent and perishable terms. We have a balance of about 400 whose contracts are renewed in February this year. We are looking for funds. The problem is SRC doubled their salaries without looking at the resources at the county levels. There could be very, very few counties, maybe Kiambu's rich ones, who may have achieved this, but we are looking, as I promised them, by February, if we do very well on our sponsors revenue, we raise money to take them permanent so that they can be able to run their families and their affairs with a definite, determined income. But what I can assure now is that I'm not going to release them to the market. I will hold them on contract backup. We get enough money. And I think we might achieve by then, because from this month I'm engaging revenue board. Kazi yao ni kutafuta hii on source revenue. Ukiachieve hiyo tunataka 700, we can be able to accommodate and take them. Number 6, 30% youth absorption, presentation, in appointment, tenders, and decision-making positions. There is a procurement law of 2015 which requires that any tender, 30% should be taken by the youth, women, and the people with disability. Reserved for them. We can also tender for the others, but that's reserved. And in employment, most of the time we employ youth, because most jobs are over 80% are particularly taken by youths. But there are some few which requires experience, where most youths cannot qualify. I mean people under 35, up to 35. So if there is any, we'll give you priority. So the first, I know disadvantage you have, some you finish university 5-10 years ago, and it's period wasted in terms of experience. But as soon as you get a job, try to compensate by working very hard so that you can be recognized and be promoted as soon as possible. That's my advice. So in terms of employment, we cannot afford majorly we employ, you procurement is allowed. Unfortunately, some youths, when they get a tender, they sell it for peanuts. You are going to get maybe a profit of 500,000. Somebody gives you 50,000, takes it. You see, you lose out. Yes, that's the problem we have been having. But you should be more trained. I think there's a program I'm bringing up. We have our own university lecturers who have agreed to team and train you for free. I want to give them transport and where to sleep, so that you can know how to access financing, particularly LPO financing. How do you get it from banks? As they train you, I think most of you will be able to afford financing, so that you get maximum from the LPO you have and selling it in the streets for peanuts. Number 7 was your concern about the advertisement of vacant positions.